To download Robinhood on a Mac, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure your Mac meets the system requirements for running the Robinhood application. You will need a Mac with macOS 11 or later, at least 4 GB of RAM, and a reliable internet connection. Next, open the App Store on your Mac. You can find the App Store in the dock or by using Spotlight Search. Once the App Store is open, click on the search bar at the top right corner and type Robinhood. Press Enter to initiate the search. From the search results, click on the Robinhood app icon. This will take you to the Robinhood app page where you can read more about the app, its features, and reviews from other users. To download the app, click the Get button, then click Install. If you are not already signed in with your Apple ID, you will be prompted to sign in. Enter your Apple ID and password to proceed with the download. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, click on the Open button to launch the Robinhood app. If you do not have a Robinhood account, you will need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials to access the app. After logging in, you will be able to use the Robinhood app on your Mac to buy, sell, and manage your investments. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the app's features and settings to get the most out of it. Remember to always keep your account information and login credentials secure to protect your investments. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download and install the Robinhood app on your Mac. If you encounter any issues during the process, you can refer to the Robinhood support page or contact their customer support team for assistance.